Hey there, fellow gamers. Sabza here. Are you tired of lag and choppy graphics? Do you dream of a PC that can handle the latest games without breaking a sweat? Well, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll build the ultimate AMD gaming PC. This isn't just any build, it's about harnessing raw power and pushing the limits of performance. We're talking buttery smooth frame rates, stunning graphics, and lightning-fast load times. We'll walk you through each component, explaining why we've chosen the best of the best. Remember, using genuine parts is crucial. They guarantee optimal performance and reliability, saving you headaches down the line. Get ready to experience gaming like never before. Let's dive in. This build is not for the faint of heart, it's for those who demand the best and want to max out every setting. Are you ready to unleash the power of AMD? Let's do this. As usual, don't forget to check the links on the descriptions of all the parts that I used to construct this gaming beast. If you make sure to check before your next buy, you will buy the exact parts that I used here and build a best-performing computer. At the core of our beastly machine lies the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor. This isn't just a CPU, it's a 12-core, 24-thread monster. Think of it as the brain of your PC, and this one's an absolute genius. The Ryzen 9 3900X laughs in the face of demanding games, effortlessly handling them with power to spare. But it's not just about gaming. This processor can handle anything you throw at it. Streaming, video editing, 3D rendering, you name it, the Ryzen 9 3900X can chew through it without breaking a sweat. High core count and clock speeds mean smooth gameplay even during the most intense battles. No more lag, no more stuttering, just pure, unadulterated performance. The Ryzen 9 3900X is a true powerhouse, and it's the perfect foundation for our ultimate AMD gaming rig. Buckle up, because things are about to get serious. Now that we have our beastly processor, we need a motherboard that can handle its raw power. That's where the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero comes in. This motherboard is built like a tank, with a robust design and features that'll make your jaw drop. We're talking about the Asus Aura RGB lighting, which lets you customize your build with a dazzling array of colors. And don't even get me started on the Supreme FX 8-channel audio. Prepare to be blown away by immersive sound that puts you right in the heart of the action. The Crosshair 8 Hero is designed for gamers who demand the very best. It's packed with features that enhance performance and stability, ensuring your system runs like a dream. But it's not just about looks and fancy features. This motherboard is all about performance. It provides the perfect foundation for our Ryzen 9 3900X processor, allowing it to reach its full potential. With the Crosshair 8 Hero, you're not just building a PC, you're building a legend. Time to talk memory, and we're not talking about your goldfish's 3-second attention span. We need speed, and lots of it. That's why we're going with the G.Dot Skill Trident Z Royal RAM. This RAM is in a league of its own, boasting blazing fast speeds of 3600 MHz. What does that mean for you? Lightning-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and a system that responds instantly to your every command. Imagine switching between games, streaming your gameplay, and chatting with your friends, all without a hint of lag. That's the power of the G.Dot Skill Trident Z Royal RAM. But wait, there's more. This RAM not only delivers incredible performance but also looks stunning. The sleek heat spreaders and vibrant RGB lighting add a touch of class to your build. It's the perfect blend of performance and aesthetics. With the G.Dot Skill Trident Z Royal RAM, your system will be as beautiful as it is powerful. Section 5. Lightning-fast storage. Corsair MP 600 SSD and Seagate Barracuda HDD. Hold on to your hats because we're about to enter the realm of storage, where speed is king. For our primary drive, we're going with the Corsair MP 602TB NVMe SSD. This SSD is an absolute beast, utilizing the cutting-edge PCI Express 4.0 interface for unparalleled speed. We're talking read and write speeds of up to 5 GB per second and 4 GB per second, respectively. That's fast enough to make your head spin. With the Corsair MP 600, boot times will be a thing of the past. Games will load in the blink of an eye, and your system will respond with lightning-fast speed, but we're not stopping there. We also need ample space to store our massive game library. That's where the Seagate 4TB Barracuda hard drive comes in. This HDD provides plenty of storage for all your games, videos, and other files. So, you get the best of both worlds, blazing fast speed and massive storage capacity. The Corsair MP600 SSD and Seagate Barracuda HDD are the perfect storage duo for our ultimate AMD gaming PC. Section 6 Graphics Powerhouse AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. Now for the star of the show, the component that will bring your games to life, the graphics card, and we're not holding back. We're going with the AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT, a graphics powerhouse that'll blow your mind. This card is engineered for gamers who demand the very best, delivering exceptional performance at 1440p resolution. The Radeon RX 5700 XT is packed with AMD's latest technologies including RDNA architecture, Radeon image sharpening, and fidelity effects. These technologies work together to deliver stunning visuals, smooth gameplay, and immersive experiences. Say goodbye to screen tearing and stuttering, thanks to AMD Radeon FreeSync technology. Your games will run smoother than ever before, with buttery smooth frame rates and crystal clear images. The Radeon RX 5700 XT is the ultimate graphics card for gamers who want to experience the next level of visual fidelity. Section 7. Power up your gaming. Asus ROG Thor PSU. Every great PC needs a reliable power supply, and the Asus ROG Thor 850W PSU is the perfect choice for our beastly build. This PSU delivers clean and consistent power to all your components, ensuring optimal performance and stability. But the ROG Thor is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with features that'll make you drool. The built-in OLED screen provides real-time monitoring of power consumption, so you can keep an eye on your system's power usage. And let's not forget about the iconic ROG aesthetics. The ROG Thor looks as good as it performs with its sleek design and AuraSync RGB lighting. With the ROG Thor PSU, you're not just getting reliable power, you're getting a piece of art that'll elevate your build to the next level. Section 8. Aesthetics meet functionality custom-sleeved cables. We've got the power, we've got the performance, now it's time to add a touch of personality to our build. And what better way to do that than with custom-sleeved cables? These cables not only look amazing, but they also improve airflow within the case, keeping your components cool and happy. With a wide range of colors and patterns to choose from, you can customize the look of your PC to match your style. Whether you prefer a sleek and minimalist look or a bold and vibrant aesthetic, custom-sleeved cables are the perfect way to add a touch of personality to your build. And the best part? Custom-sleeved cables are surprisingly affordable and easy to install. So, why settle for boring old cables when you can have cables that look as good as your components perform? Section 9. A showcase of Power Regintech PN case. Now that we have all our components, we need a case that can house them in style. And the Regintech PN case is the perfect choice for our build. This open-frame chassis is a work of art, showcasing the beauty of your components while providing excellent airflow. The tempered glass front panel adds a touch of elegance and allows you to admire your handiwork, and the open-frame design promotes natural airflow, keeping your components cool and operating at peak performance. The Regintech PN case is not just a case, it's a statement piece that will turn heads and make your friends jealous. It's the perfect way to showcase the power and beauty of your ultimate AMD gaming PC. Section 10. Keeping it cool. EKWB Cooling Solutions. With all this power comes heat, and we need to keep our components cool to ensure optimal performance and longevity. That's why we're going with EKWB Cooling Solutions. EKWB is a leading manufacturer of high-performance water cooling components, and their products are top-notch. We'll be using EKWB's AM4 Velocity Water Block, Coolstream Radiator, EKX-RES 140 Revo D5 pump, hardline tubing, and cryo-fuel coolants. This custom water cooling loop will keep our CPU and GPU running at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. Water cooling not only provides superior cooling performance but also looks amazing. The intricate tubing and vibrant coolants add a touch of visual flair to your build. With EKWB Cooling Solutions, you're not just keeping your components cool, you're turning your PC into a work of art. Section 11. Immersive Visuals. Asus ROG Strix XG32 VQ Monitor. No gaming setup is complete without a high-quality monitor, and the Asus ROG Strix XG32VQ is the perfect choice for our build. This 32-inch curved gaming monitor delivers an immersive gaming experience like no other. With a WQHD 2560 by 1440 resolution, you'll enjoy sharp and detailed visuals that will bring your games to life. And with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, you'll experience buttery smooth motion handling, making it ideal for fast-paced games. AMD FreeSync technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for a seamless gaming experience. The curved display enhances immersion, drawing you into the game world like never before. The Asus ROG Strix XG32VQ monitor is the perfect way to complete your ultimate AMD gaming PC. As usual, don't forget to check the links on the descriptions of all the parts that I used to construct this gaming beast. If you make sure to check before your next buy, you will buy the exact parts that I used here and build a best performing computer